Hello, my name is Sheila, top seller and prompt engineer, and this is my AI Akina. Welcome to a basic guide, Discovering Midjourney. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to check out my e-learning links in the description below and enjoy. In this module, we are going to learn what is Midjourney, what is a prompt, installation guide, technical requirements and pricing. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence program that generates images from natural language descriptions called prompts. You can easily access it at Midjourneycom. And in AI, a prompt is an instruction given to an AI model to generate a specific output. For Midjourney, an example prompt could be a beautiful house in the mountain. It is a textual instruction given to the AI, and Midjourney will show you 4 images of a house in the mountain. To use Midjourney, you need to have a Discord account. Here's a step-by-step my guide. Step 1. Go to your browser and search for Discord. On the official link, create an account using your email, username, and password. Additionally, download the application on your phone and computer, compatible with all operating systems. Step 2. You have to set up a server in your Discord by clicking the plus button on the left menu. Configure it as a personal server for friends and family. Once created, add a text channel by clicking on Add Channel after selecting the server. You can give it any name you like. Step 3. Visit Midjourney.com and click on Sign In. Authorize the installation of the bot on your Discord and you're almost done. In your text channel, type for example /Imagine a woman and it will prompt you to subscribe. Make the payment and then you can start creating images. Procedures may change. Check Discord or Midjourney for the latest updates. Midjourney is designed to function on multiple operating systems, and you can use Discord on your smartphone or computer. Internet connection is essential. Midjourney provides membership options. You have a membership where all your generated prompts can be kept private. Consider opting for an annual payment plan to enjoy potential discounts. At Midjourney.com, you will have access to created and scaled images and the ability to download all your creations. Remember, your Midjourney account is linked to your Discord account. Start creating stunning images. You can earn profit through the sale of consistent prompts, digital arts, patterns, and print-on-demand products. I started selling prompts in June 2023 and achieved top seller in just 4 months. I'll share weekly videos covering my experiences on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and PromptBase. Find all the links in the video description for detailed information. And I hope my work complements yours. And hey, if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Don't miss my next video. Check the description for all the details. Oh, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you soon.